Once a long, long time ago, setting out to find our dreams, lost in memories of olden days. Sometimes rising in the spring, glowing, shining came the sun. Golden day beams come through to greet now. Those who know the fire burn, try to find forever the dreams. Try to find forever the way, my way.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited to see you have one of these babies.
Oh, it's like you bringing me a Winchester or bringing me a.
Yeah.
So that's like the
all off.
Is that water and soap or solvent? So it dissolves. Oh goodness. A lot of tools. Looks like Transformer, you know?
Come with me, take my hand. Memories of the past unfold, and with you I live them once again. From my beating heart, my hand, feel my warmth and love within, and I wonder when the spring will come. Do we ever really know for sure? Will we travel on and on? Someday we'll be standing up too late. Caravan journey in the sky, as the sun comes out from the day. Caravan, we know who we are. We discover where.
Oh, that's right.
I'm gonna watch the edge for the spark. Tells me I'm there.
So it's an Indian stone or some type of stone, right?
I don't know. It's Harbor Freight.
Ah, Chicago Electric, that's right.
30 bucks.
I know.
30 bucks on sale with a coupon.
You get the coupon on online? Come on and get one for them, even though I'm way out here. It's supposed to be on their list. I need to buy a brass cutter from them, a metal cutter, so I can shorten brass much faster than doing spinning or. You like all the sparkling hitting your hand? Does it excite?
You go to the Spark Lawn Yard. It costs $50. Cool on it, buy a vinyl. Over here. Or there's a white jug. Okay, they have bar oil in a white jug.
That guy. Bar oil.
Bar oil. It's in a white jug.
Right.
It's called Duralube or something.
So that.
Do not ever use oil.
Right.
It wrecks the oils. So this kind of goes farther. So using bar oil from the gallon into a quart and mark bar oil on it.
Right.
Put duct tape or something.
Yeah, make sure
And
you're
can
not
get
pouring.
in here.
made fun of, man.
This
You
is
must be doing that. You're gonna be famous on YouTube, you know. All the women's gonna ask for your number. Right?
this
Awesome.
is throttle lock up. Start. Pull back.
Go back.
That's that trigger.
That's the trigger, right?
That's your trigger. So that's your high. Your choke. Right there.
Which one is that? The switch right there, the blue. Push in and push out.
Pull out for choke.
Choke.
Pops once.
One.
That. You hear that?
Yeah.
He's stuck.
That's the filter, I guess.
Yep. See the choke? The little top fiber.
Back. The chainsaw adventure.
So now we'll never put the spark plug in. Of course, always put it in.
What's the torque on the spark plug? You just know.
Vibrate. There's the grid.
It looks new, but it didn't do well.
This was on that solid. And ran like a champ. And go on. Put the rod through.
What jazz is this? Lead light? Magnetic. Stick everywhere. Groovy, groovy.
Gotta hit the gasket, come down in here and straight in. That's, you can see that. I normally would have told you about a total tear down, but I didn't. I never would have found it. Okay. Can't find it.
Unless you start it.
Unless you turn the saw, so I always turn the saw down. And I'll see bad wire inside. It's a collapsed, softened, junk.
See, a guy asked me, why do you need a chainsaw for, just doing wood? I said, no. When you get a down tree on your way out or in.
Oh yeah, the tree falls on
Tree
you
off.
coming out.
Exactly. You're stuck in the woods.
Take chainsaw.
Yeah, everybody have a chainsaw. There's a reason. that load of work. Even with the winch, you can't pull the whole tree out. You gotta cut into pieces. 20, they'll do the job. And plus, you know, why chop?
Stool.